So next what we're going to do is we're going to place another floor slab, but it'll be our boundary path. So we're going to create a footpath around the building. We are going to use the same floor slab as we've done for the inner part of the building. Later on in the course, I'm going to show you how we can change the properties of that floor slab so it will just display a concrete slab. For now though, we're going to leave it as the default ground floor bearing slab. So same process, we're going to click on the floor tool. This time I'm going to use the pick line and I'm going to go around the outside of the building. And again, we'll have to remove this segment here. So we'll use the split element. Again, having delete inner segment turned on. Click and click. So that's the inner side of the footpath. We now have to draw the outer side to create our footpath. You can also open up the PDF 007 path. So the path itself is going to be an offset of 2 meters from the inner boundary. So if we use the offset tool in the modified panel, we can change the offset number to 2000, pressing enter. And what I'm going to do is just simply hitting the top, right, bottom and left. I'm not going to do each individual segment. The reason being, I'm going to use my trim and extend to just tidy up those corners. Just saving myself a bit of time. Now that we have the outer boundary drawn, we're going to do a small fillet on the top right and bottom left hand corner of our path. So to do that, I'm just going to go back to my draw panel and we're going to select the fillet arc. And we can just select the 2 lines. It will automatically generate that fillet. We can try and get it to 5000, or we can simply click to place and afterwards come back, select the curve, change it to 5000. We can also select the fillet by arc, go to the options bar, turn on the radius, change it to 5000. So now when we select the 2 lines down the bottom left hand corner, it'll automatically generate that. So now we have our outer boundary drawn and our inner boundary drawn. We just have to press green tick to finish. There's our footpath around the boundary. So you can go to your 3D view and you can pan around and orbit to see what we've drawn. Again, you can select the outer footpath and the inner floor.